Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you another paper airplane. This one doesn't fly fast. It's you know, it's a bit of a cruiser, but it's still pretty nice, pretty cool. So we start with one sheet of A4 paper or US letter size. First thing, you fold one corner like that to the side. Do it as precisely as you can. Use your fingernails for the folds. Unfold. Same thing with the other side. Just like that. Unfold. Then you fold it like that. These points will meet, and also here you will see the middle kind of helps, like that. Unfold, and then kind of grab it like that and push this to the middle. A bit tricky, but not very difficult. And this is what you're gonna end up with. Like that. So far so good. Then you take this bit, fold it in the middle, to the middle. Same thing with the other side, just like that. And then you grab this corner and do the same thing. So you do that. Press hard. The other side, the same thing. And then you take the point and fold it in there. I use sometimes scissors or something to press it because there's a bit of a paper accumulated. So that's what I like to do. Then what you do, you unfold, and see this little pocket? Use the pocket for this bit. So you just slide in like that. Just like that. Hopefully it doesn't unfold on its own. The same thing with this. Just should have actually. So you use this bit. You just you open it like that. Open, fold it in, and use these little pockets. See these little pockets here? Just slide this in. Don't press yet. And do the same thing with the other side. Slide it into the pocket, and now you can press. Just like that. It's not very difficult. This is how it looks like so far. Then you take this bit, this side, fold it to the middle, like that. Same thing with the other side. Fold it to the middle, and then you take, this is how it looks like, this bit, again, fold it like this, that. The same thing with the other side. Just like that. And it's pretty much it. You just open it like that. And this is exactly how it should look like. As I said, it's not a fast one, it's a cruising one. That looks cool. So you actually need bigger hands for this. So this is how it looks like. And you don't really throw it hard. You just kind of let it go. You just throw it and let it go. So just like that. That's how it looks like. Thanks for watching, guys.